I beg your pardon.
Thank you. It's my first time on a commuter train. What about you?
Every day, last 10 years.
What if I asked you to do one little thing? Would you do it?
I'd want to know what kind of thing.
Someone on this train does not belong. You don't know what they look like. All you have to do is find them.
Why would I do it?
There would be a reward.
You're kidding me.
Don't leave the train before finding them. Don't tell anyone about this offer.
I am not going to do this.
You have no idea who you're up against.
They will kill you, your family, and everyone on that train.
You want to live? You stop this goddamn train now.
You have until next stop to decide. What kind of person are you?